Hey guys, it's Dante Hamilton here with the greatest AI Developers Expo with an update on the BALOMMON app. All right, so if you've been following my build journal, this is build journal number 5 or 6. I don't even remember how many I've done so far, but at least probably number 5 or maybe 6. I posted to my YouTube page about a study for in-app subscriptions. It's done by a company called Adapty. I've never heard of them, but I found some very interesting information from the woman, one of the contributors in the report, named Hannah Parvaz of a company called Aperture. Maybe some of you might know who they are. But this report was the Adapty State of the in-app subscriptions 2026 report. That name is really Adapty. I guess that's how you do that. But anyway, so I read this information, and basically Miss Parvaz of Aperture was basically saying that if you are trying to convert people to use your app, okay, if you're trying to make conversions and you are just giving people features before they sign up, and then you just say, hey, this is what the app does. Now here's the sign up page. Now pay us. That's all wrong. And that's what I was doing with the app. So I basically, the original BALOMMON onboarding experience, explained the app in 3 different slides. And then I asked people to sign up. It was clean, it was logical, it was all wrong. It was all wrong. Because what she was saying in this piece of information inside of this report was that you have to give positive friction. You have to give the user an idea of what it is they're going to be able to do before they even get to the sign-up screen, before they even get to the paywall. Okay, so I thought about that, and I thought about my onboarding experience for the BALOMMON app, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna refactor this. Okay, I'm gonna redo this. And so here's what I came up with. Let's go into the BALOMMON app, and I'm gonna show you the new onboarding flow. All right, so this is the tour. Let me go ahead and refresh this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this. And this is the loading, bouncing BALOMMON Sparkle Bee icon. And then it loads the actual page. Okay, so this is the beginning of the onboarding process. And it says BALOMMON is where vibe coders and sovereign builders manifest their business abundance. Okay. So then you continue, and what you're looking at here is all 4 of the different badges: VIP builders, sponsors, and general admission. So these are the 4 audiences that could actually experience the greatest AI Developers Expo. So let's hit continue. All right, so now what's your energy? What's your vibe? What is your frequency? Let's go with the sponsor brand, because this is a cool little animation I want to show you. Now, the sponsor gets to actually announce the winner. So if you the presenting sponsor, you get a chance to present the large prize, which of course is the grand prize of $1,000. So what do? You click this reveal the winner, and then you get this induction ceremony of the confetti popping up. So this gives the actual sponsor an idea. Oh, this is what I could do in the app. I actually present the winner, and present my brand, saying that, hey, here's the winner of the $1,000 winner of the greatest AI Developers Expo. All right, so that's a good way to give them an idea of what the app is and the experience that they're going to have when they acquire their participation. All right, so now go ahead and request your invitation, and here's the standard thing that everybody must do. This is invitation only, so I'm just going to put in name@example.com, and then you request your invitation. But here's the thing, this is wired up to the actual sponsor page on the website. So you go into the sponsor page on the website. Of course, you can learn all about sponsorship. All of the information is right on the page. And then you can, configure, say, I'm going to be the presenting sponsor at $5,000. And then you request your invitation, because you can't actually purchase that. You have to request your invitation, and then this is the form that you fill out to request that invitation. Isn't that cool? Now let's go and check out another component of the tour. This is the actual thank you page that says abundance manifested, request your invitation. Once approved, an investment link will be sent to you in the email within 24 hours. Your experience is acquired once investment is received. All right, so this is like your waitlist thank you page. All right, so now let's go back into the tour, and we're going to experience another category of experiences, which is, let's do the actual builder experience. So let's do sovereign builder. Now, the key for sovereign builders, which are the VIP builders, is you get a chance to record in the app your actual project. And so this is how it's going to work. you're going to be able to hit the record button, make a 30-second video saying something like, hey, I'm Dante, I'm launching a postcard creator. It's for people who want to build personalized direct mail campaigns, blah, blah, blah. And then the person says, oh, okay, check the video out. You record it, you upload it to the app, people can check it out. And then, of course, they see a link that says view app online. And so then they click this link. In my case, you see ZITNALTA Postcard Creator, Personalized Direct Mail Postcard Creator for Visionary Founders, Direct-to-Consumer Brands. That's my app, all right? And then you're able to click through to the app page, okay? And you can request an invitation to, actually participate in the app or get a demo. All right, so that's the whole key for the actual VIP builders. And then, of course, you still go through the same manifest your business abundant. Your project pitch is live, so you want to join the community, and then you actually want to request your invitation. And so I'll do this one more time, and then you request your invitation by clicking this button, putting your email in, and then it takes you to the VIP builder experience page where you can then request your invitation and fill out the form. All right, so this onboarding experience, you kind of get the flow, you kind of get the idea, and then of course there's the thank you page. Let's do it one more time because there's two different builders, so I'm not going to do both builders. Let me do this like this. App.GAIDE tour. All right, so the tour, we're going to do the creative supporter this time. So let's go ahead and click through, and then we're going to click on creative supporter. And these are the people that are either supporting a builder or they're independently attending and they're voting on who's going to be the winner. So the idea here is the collective consciousness, experience the governance portal, support a fellow builder with a sample vote to manifest their abundance. So then you go ahead and you cast your vote, and then the vote is cast inside of the app here. And this is a simulation. And then of course, manifest your business abundance, request your invitation. You've already seen this, so I'm not going to go through this again, but this is the experience. So, let me go ahead and do it again anyway, because I want to show you exactly what happens. Everyone that completes this goes to their special page on the website, and this is the general admission experience page. And then of course you request your invitation. So if you're like me and you have an app like this and you're building out the onboarding flow, make sure that you put the onboarding flow in a way such that it gives a person an idea of what they're going to be able to do in the app before they even get into the app, before you even ask them to sign up. So I want people to vote at the actual event. So I simulated a vote. I want the sponsors to give people an award and announce the winner. So I gave them an induction ceremony. I want the builders to actually present their actual project in a video. So I gave them a simulation of that in the app before they even get into the app. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I think that this is very powerful. So I would encourage you to come to GAIDEchicago.org, request your invitation. All the information about the event is here. The prize pool, everything. All you have to do is click through, request your invitation. I hope to see you at Greatest AI Developer Expo, May 22nd, May 23rd. Thanks for watching.